Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to enter only lowercase letters in a particular column. That is restricting uppercase and propercase letters to be entered into this particular column. Say in this case, it is D column. We are taking, go to data, select the data validation, go to custom and enter the formula as is equal to is error find open parenthesis lower D1 comma D1 n parenthesis is equal to false. After this, we need to go to the error alert and then enter the title as error text or error alert. And in the error message, we should mention as you should enter only lowercase. Click on OK. And now try to enter the lowercase in the D column. Say suppose I am giving it as learn Excel. And if you move on to Excel, there will not be any errors. And if you enter some more data in the D column with uppercase like learn Excel tutorials and give enter or move to the next cell, you will see an error like you should enter only lowercase. Let us try entering the proper case. Learn Excel tutorials. And if you give enter, you will see an error message like you should enter only lowercase. This is how we can restrict entering the uppercase and proper case in a particular column. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates on Excel tutorials like this.